For Mary, Queen of Scots, her marriage to Lord Darnley was unsalvageable. That was the desperate reality in 1566. The Queen was now in open conflict with her husband. Mary had given birth to their son James just 6 months previously, and Darnley lay dangerously ill, confined in Glasgow, with either smallpox or syphilis. After James was born, the interactions between the couple were minimal and adversarial. In this climate, Mary traveled, not to Darnley's bedside, but to Drummond Castle, to assert her authority and attend the royal hunt. Her entourage included James Hepburn, the 4th Earl of Bothwell, who served as her chief lieutenant. This progress marked the last verifiable journey she took with Bothwell before the central tragedy of her life unfolded. Within weeks, Mary brought the weakened Darnley back to Edinburgh, and on February 10th, 1567, Darnley would be murdered, and Bothwell implicated. The hunting trip at Drummond Castle became the silent prologue to the total collapse of Mary's reign.